massive search is underway for an armed and dangerous woman in Colorado said to be infatuated with the Columbine massacre. We'll have the latest on the FBI investigation, as 500,000 students in the Denver area are told to stay home today.
Nearly $1 billion are already pledged to rebuild Paris's Notre Dame Cathedral after the devastating fire. See how an American professor's 3D laser maps could be vital to restoring the iconic landmark.
Dog owners are worried about pets being mistreated in the care of sitters provided by Rover and Wag. How that is raising questions about whether these popular dog walking apps fully vet their sitters.
And Time magazine reveals its new list of the world's 100 most influential people. Only CBS's Morning Times editor-in-chief and CEO will tell us how they decided who makes the cuts.
And with that, we begin this morning with a look at today's eye-opener, Your World in 90 Seconds.
Several Denver area school districts closed amid an investigation into an 18-year-old woman.
She has had an infatuation with the perpetrators of Columbine.
A massive hunt is underway in Colorado.
She is armed and considered to be extremely dangerous.
Parts of the country will be dealing with severe weather over the next couple of days.
Could bring damaging winds, hail, and even tornadoes. Notre Dame Cathedral is no longer burning.
The second veto of his presidency. He stopped a resolution seeking to end U.S. involvement in the war in Yemen.
A redacted version of the special counsel's findings from the Russia investigation will be released tomorrow.
In 2 words, will the president speak after the report comes out? I'd expect.
Newly revealed text messages in the Jussie Smollett case.
State's attorney Kim Foxx thought the charges were too severe.
All that.
Astros pitcher Colin McHugh. Check out this Matrix movie.
He could have tasted that ball. If his tongue was out, he'd have a blister on it.
And all that matters, a new study says men's beards carry more germs than dog fur.
Men's beards are nastier than dog fur. On top of that, dogs don't try to make you listen to their indie folk album.
On CBS this morning, Bernie Sanders has released 10 years of tax returns, giving new insight into how he became a millionaire.
So how'd Bernie get so rich? Well, according to him, I wrote a best-selling book. If you write a best-selling book, you can be a millionaire too. And you can learn more about it in his next book, Socialism, Your Way to the Top 1%, How You Can Go from Burlington to Big Bucks in 5 Easy Decades. Money, 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 money.
This morning's eye-opener is presented by Toyota. Let's go places.
Welcome to CBS This Morning, a bestseller in every pot.
Yes,
So good.
that's right. Not a chicken, a bestseller.
John, your friend is very good. He's very clever.
I think you should stick with it.
Yeah, I think he's good.
Maybe that's why he's number one.
Yes.